Howdy partner, do you want to learn how to install LyLmLe LED pool lights? Well, you're in luck. I'm going to show you today. Today, we're going to walk you through this neat new product that was sent to us by our friends at LyLmLe. What this product is it is an LED pool light. They're submersible, low voltage, low wattage LED lights that have an app you download, and you can do different color combinations, and you can really spruce it up, put it with music, everything else. We're going to test it out and see how it works. It comes nicely packaged and says that it has a 50,000 hour operating time, a 2-year warranty, and all sorts of other good things about it. So we'll see if that's actually true. Now, opening it up, it's well packaged, comes with instructions, and then it comes with these adapters here, as well as special glue. Then we have the 2 lights and the transformer with, I believe this cord, it says, is going to be 8 meters, so about 25-foot cord for each light. Now, what's neat about this product is you can attach it in either underground, in-ground pool, or an above-ground pool. We don't want our bags in the pool, so we'll have to grab that. So with these 2 lights, you have these attachments here. Now, there's magnets built into the back of this, and it's all supposed to be, IP rated and waterproof. But you would stick this, if you had a soft-sided above-ground pool, you'd stick the light inside the pool, you stick this on the other side, and that would clamp it on. But if you have a marsh-sided pool or concrete pool, you can either glue these inside the pool and attach them, and then this will attach to that, or you can find a different spot to stick them. We're going to see if they'll adhere to our frames of our lights. They may or may not. If they don't, we'll figure something else out. But we want to go ahead and try them out, see how they work, get them plugged in. You do leave the transformer out of the water, so this stays out, but it is waterproof for rain. And you can even set timers and everything else on this. So let's check it out, see how it works, and we'll show you the process. Okay, so we've got them plugged in and turned on. Now, these are low voltage, low wattage, so they should be safe for the water. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and drop this one in. You're supposed to glue that piece to the side of the wall, but we're not going to do that. We found out that our actual light rim is not magnetic, so that's not going to work. But we want to see how this is going to look underwater. So luckily these do sink, and you could just put it along the wall and just kind of have it hanging. But I want to do kind of a down low, deep reflection coming up. So we're going to set it down, and then we're going to let it sit with the lights coming up. We've got one here and one there. We may move around a little bit. Got them plugged in. So stay tuned. We'll bring it back when it's dark, and we'll show you how this looks. And we'll also show you some of the features that's through the app. Seems pretty cool so far. The quality of the cord is really nice. I like that they sync. So stay tuned. We'll show you that at night. Well, it is finally dark. We're here at the outdoor kitchen, and I will tell you, we've had those lights on all day. They stayed on just fine, and they look really, really nice. And we have a very large pool. It's about 35,000 gallons, so it's larger than most pools. But I will say that I really like it. I really like the light. We have it on a blue setting. So as you can see, it goes through the entire pool and glows it up. Even though we just have them sitting there on the bottom, it still looks really, really nice. And I'm sure you could attach them to the wall like you're supposed to. In a smaller pool or on an above ground pool, it probably look really, really cool. So I'll show you here on the app that they send you a little QR code to download the app. You can fully adjust the color. So as you can see in the background of the pool, you can go ahead and change it to green or yellow or red or purple, or you can hit some preset options. And then what's really neat is you can also set it to with the music or a microphone, or you can pick some of these styles. So let's say we want to go with strobes because we're having a party, and you can adjust the speed of it and how quickly it changes, slow it down, speed it up. There's also, whoa, that's really crazy. Slow it down, and you can do just a bunch of different things. There's all different gradual changes and fades, and really have some fun. So definitely could be nice, and I definitely like the standard colors because those are really good. So super cool. Definitely an easy way to get some multicolor lights in your pool. Whether you already have lights or you just want to add some multicolors. Really appreciate LyLmLe for sending these to us to check out. it really is neat. And like I said, we just have the white lights. Now we don't have those on right now. We're only using those two. So we will probably use these next time we have an outdoor activity in the evening, because it really makes the pool more fun. Appreciate this. You guys watching. I'm gonna put a link in the description to these lights. So if you wanna go ahead and check those out, you can check them out. And hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, likes, comments, and questions you got put in the comment box. I'll try to get back to you. So again, thanks for watching. And remember, all these, if I can do it, you can too.